Hey, welcome everybody. I'm here with Gladis Hernandez. She's our Senior Manager of Training and Customer Experience at Aviation Performance Solutions. And so Gladis is going to talk about what happens when you invest in your training program and then what that experience looks like. So when you do that, then you go over to our scheduling team. So usually at that point, either you joined APS online with our online presentation programs, or you've worked with one of our sales representatives. In either case, when you book, you end up going to Gladis and her team. So Gladis, did you want to maybe tell everybody about what your role is?
Yeah, so hi everybody. Honestly, when it comes to you guys pulling the trigger in your investment, our scheduling team plays a very vital role in creating a seamless and positive experience for every customer who trains with us. From the moment that you commit to training, our schedulers become your main point of contact. And so with that, we guide you from the dates, coordination, depending on what your schedule may require. We'll share pre-arrival details that are very important for you to better prepare for your upcoming training, and also ensure that your entire journey overall, it's a smooth and stress-free process.
Okay, great. And so how quickly will they hear from you?
I mean, immediately. From the moment that the sales rep has done the introduction over from them and over to our scheduling team, I mean, it could be the same day or no more than 24 hours.
Right, so like a business day is what they can expect, right?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add to everybody at home?
Yeah, I mean, it's at our scheduling department, we truly do pride ourselves in being able to combine digital and the one-on-one touch, the very personal touch. I think nowadays everything you do, from ordering a coffee or whatever the case may be, everything is digitalized. And so here at APS, we really truly do pride ourselves in being able to have still that one-on-one touch with everyone, where we talk about certain concerns that you may have when it comes to scheduling, because we truly do understand that everyone's schedules are different, everyone's needs are different, and so we try to tailor your needs with what we're able to accommodate to get you in the door, get you trained right away. Overall, it's our ultimate goal, to ensure that you get the training, that you develop, the confidence and the skills to, at the end of the day, make sure that you bring everyone home safe. And so we truly do believe the same. Very transparent when it comes to the communication between yourself. It could be yourself, it could be your scheduling team. We're able to help with that and tailor it to your individual needs.
So maybe one thing is that if you're a scheduler, or if you're the owner-operator and you schedule and you're on the calendar and you're not getting communications from APS, that's probably a spam problem or deliverability problem. So when they get on the calendar, it's like when it happens, right? They should be getting an email confirmation, or if they're not, they should be reaching out. Is that right?
Yes. So normally within the moment that, if again, going back to the individual, the flight departments, the military units, if there's, you're scheduling yourself or your scheduler within your department, typically once that is solidified and the dates have been selected and, hey, so-and-so is coming to train, and we get their contact information, the same process applies within 24 to 48 hours, the latest. Right. You do receive a welcome email from our team, letting you know what to expect. Depending on the date that you selected, it'll have show time for your specific training date. So if within the 24, 48 hours you don't receive that digital confirmation, someone should have a phone number to reach out to us. And that way we are aware that our system didn't trigger, or technology, right? And so at that point, make us aware that the confirmation didn't show, and we'll certainly address.
Anything else you want to add for everybody before the show?
We're very excited. I'm looking forward to shaking everyone's hand when you walk in the door, and we truly do look forward to having all of you here.
So probably apologies in advance if you don't get on the schedule quickly, because our goal is to get you on the schedule, get the training to save your life. right? So there's going to be a number of communications if, for example, they don't get on the schedule right away. So your team is very diligent about reaching out. And every time a new quarter is approaching, if you haven't done your training yet, you're going to hear from us.
Yes, very diligent is definitely the right way to describe us. It is very important to us to make sure that everyone is scheduled, everyone receives the training. And so we truly do take that serious, and we want everyone and anyone to come through the door and get their training.
Awesome. Great. Well, thank you for your time today.
Yes, thank you.